Well, tonight we have continuing coverage on the indictments of former President Donald Trump. Today, our New York Capitol correspondent Elise Klein spoke to a political scientist and a legal expert about the New York indictment and how they see it unfolding.
Earlier this week, former President Donald Trump was indicted for the fourth time. A legal expert says the first indictment from a New York State Supreme Court could be, quote, the weakest among the others.
That one is, I think, the least problematic, the least trouble for the president, and probably one that'll go away fairly quickly.
Some political scientists agree. Jacob Nyheisel, a political science professor, says the other indictments are more severe.
Certainly it's going to be a problem for the former president. Certainly it's going to be something that's going to be talked about going forward. But I think it somewhat pales in comparison to what he's facing in other states and at the federal level.
With the 2024 presidential election approaching, Nyheisel says one of the biggest challenges for Trump will likely be managing a campaign trail and time in court.
Legally speaking, none of these would prevent him from running for another term. Practically, they might, in that he's going to be tied up in court for a very long time, fighting multiple charges on multiple fronts.
Nyheisel also says the indictments could eventually hurt his support. The New York indictment is scheduled to go to trial in March of 2024. In Albany, Elise Klein, WENY News.